Todd Alton. Welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is full disclosure. Now, full disclosure is a term used when you're doing a financing and you're letting your investors know all the risk factors involved with the company. Now, full disclosure means a lot to different people in terms of what they think should be disclosed, but the SEC has a clear definition and rules regarding disclosure. Now, there's an old adage on Wall Street: disclose, disclose, disclose. If you have related party transactions or conflicts of interest, you need to make sure that your investors know that you may work for two companies instead of one. Or somehow you may work at a company in which a relative works. There's all kinds of disclosure issues out there, like risk factors if you're a manufacturer, if you're a financing company, if you're a technology company. Like, one of the risk factors could be, hey, our technology may fail, or we have competitors that have similar technology, or did you know that we're into a patent dispute? We have a lawsuit pending. They're trying to sue us for our technology. You don't tell those investors, it could be bad news. Today's word is full disclosure, and that's making sure if you're a company issuing securities, you tell your investors all the details in the PPM, which we talked about before, or in the S1, the prospectus. You got to tell your investors everything you know that could be a risk for the company.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's two videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.